Today I have a Kwikset cylinder lock that I got off my garage door. It was a Deadbolt. And I'm going to attempt to pick this with this Lishi KW1 2-in-1 pick for a 5-pin lock. I don't have very much luck with these, but thought I'd give it a shot. Haven't done it in about a year. Get it in there and set it all the way. Make sure that it's seated all the way in. Pull out the tensioner. Put some tension on it. And start picking. Thing on 5. A little click. 4 nothing. 3 nothing. 2 a click. Nothing on 1. 5 looks like it's set. 4 springy. 2 nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna recock it. Try again. Go to pin 1. Springy. 2 little click. 3 springy. 4 little click. 5 click. 4 click. 3. Nope. 1 little click. Up. There we have it. Not too bad for a year absence. That's it. That's picking a Kwikset Deadbolt with a Kwikset KW1 Lishi. Thanks for watching.